channel. Today we're doing kind of like a more travel friendly makeup tutorial using very few products and just no foundation, no anything. In fact, I don't have any foundation on now. And let's jump right into it. The first thing we're doing is putting on a base for the eyeshadow, which we're using a NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Going right on the inner corner on the bottom lash line and covering the top eyelid. And then I'll blend it out with my fingers. And I'm going to cover up my eye bags a little bit with this too, because I have very pale skin and that works for me. So then I blend that out, and because I don't have any big mirrors, I'm going to be using one in a blush compact. I'm going to blend that out until I feel it's well enough blended to be passable. The reason I'm doing this tutorial is because I packed up all my makeup, except for very few items. So I'm gonna have them all back soon. Just I don't have them back yet. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this palette. It's a very small palette compared to what I usually use, and use this matte beige color. And I'm going to cover up all the places that I did the base, especially on the lower eyelids, keep it from creasing. And blend it onto that place. This is also very fast makeup because you're not working with too many bases or anything like that. And use a little bit on the top, just brighten everything up. And I'm mostly using my fingers for this too. Next, I'm going into this kind of medium brown shimmer color. I'm going to cover my entire eyelid in that color. Once again, using my fingers, and using that blush compact as a mirror. I need to leave this open. I'm going to keep packing on that brown shimmer shade until I feel that I've covered the eyelid enough with it. And it should look something like that, which is a fairly messy kind of application, but we go back and we'll blend later. So then I'm going to take the next color, which is this dark espresso brown color, and I'm going to go right on the outer corner of the eye and kind of blending it again with my finger. I feel fingers applies these colors better anyway because they're shimmers. And blending it with a clean finger. So apply with the one with the shadow, blend with a clean finger. Go back and forth. So I've got this dual-ended brush that I will use this side for the brows and this side for the lower eyelid. So for the lower eyelid, I'm going to take that brown once again on this little brush. I'm going to blend it up until about the middle of the lower eyelid and stopping there. And if you're working with your fingers applying all your eyeshadow, it's good to keep kind of a towel nearby or a tissue to wipe off your hands so that you can move on to another color without muddying it up too much. We'll take that espresso brown and now focus on the very outer edge of both eyes and make sure that it connects right in the outer corner. And blending with a clean finger. So it should look something like that. In fact, I'm reaching over for a towel. Apologize for the mess behind me, like I said, in the middle of the move. Cleaning up with a washcloth or a towel or whatever. So now I'm going to go back into that matte beige color and I'm going to put it all along the brow bone to clean up. So I've been using this color, just cleaning up. So now I'm going to take this shimmery pink color and put it on my brow bone, like so. And putting it in my inner corner as well. Those two. You can kind of look at that so far and see what I think. That's pretty good. Now time for the eyeliner. I got this Jordana twisty kind of pencil. It's retractable eyeliner in a brown shade. In fact, it's called Lavish Brown. I'm going to line my eyes starting at the middle, like stopping in the middle and then going out to the edge and making a slight downward swoop with the wing, connecting it with a V. Like that. So then I'm going to apply my mascara, black mascara by Jordana, same one I always use. I tend to apply a lot of mascara. Then we'll move on right to the eyebrows in just a second. So the mascara's done. Kind of spidery a little bit, but that's fine. Then move my hair out of the way to do my eyebrows. I'm using the same charcoal brown, not charcoal brown, like an espresso brown color. I'm going to go right into the eyebrows with this angled brush and just fill them in as per usual. Should look like that. Now it's just time to do a little bit of action on the cheeks, which I'm just going to use that blush that I've been using for the mirror by Physicians Formula in the shade Rose, and I'm going to apply it right here near the outer corner of the eye, just to brighten everything up a little bit, and using the applicator that comes with, so I don't have to pack an extra brush. Yeah, the applicators that come with blushes aren't great, but they're not the worst either. And I do kind of advise actually doing this if you're going that close to the eye before the mascara so you don't smear it around. Now with this Jordana lip crayon, I'm going to apply it right here. And blend that out. And what I like to do is then I'll put an eyeshadow on top of it. I'm going to take this shimmery eyeshadow and put it right on top because I like the way shimmer lip gloss looks so I don't have the lip gloss out. Let my hair back in a ponytail, and then it's done. Your travel-friendly makeup done in only 7 minutes. So, not bad. I really like how it looks, and hey, you guys should give it a try too. It's really quick, really easy. You don't even have to use it for travel. You can use it for anything you want.